I have been informed that School for Training Officers of Comptroller and Auditor General was established in 1950, and so far several batches of officers have been trained here. Officers trained by National Academy of Audit and Accounts have strengthened the institution of CAG, and many of them have served the country with distinction. To be professionally prepared by such an esteemed institution is a matter of pride to all my young friends present here. The institution of CAG, in its various forms, is one of the oldest in the country. At independence, the founding fathers of our nation were fully aware of the importance of CAG. During Constituent Assembly debates, Mr. Ambedkar was of the view that CAG is probably the most important officer in the Constitution of India, and he extensively argued for independence of CAG for an effective oversight. The institution, as envisaged by Dr. Ambedkar, has grown in strength in past 7 decades and has made immense contribution to improved governance. I congratulate all of you for joining such an important institution. I trust National Academy of Audit and Accounts has prepared you for challenges ahead. As all of you take first steps in your career as public servants, let me share some thoughts with you. Ladies and gentlemen, past 18 months have been very trying for the country as economy was badly disrupted. Government has taken various fiscal measures to alleviate distress and for welfare of the poor. These are often financed through money which may be said to have been borrowed from our children and grandchildren. We owe it to them that these scarce resources are put to best possible use and are most effectively used for welfare of the poor and needy. CAG has a very important role in this. While performing oversight function, you need to be aware of opportunities of providing inputs for systemic improvements. Audit engagements provide a unique opportunity of gaining deep understanding of system and place you in a good position of suggesting improvements. Governments will take serious note of advice made by an institution like CAG. This will positively impact our public service delivery standards. In 2018, I had addressed the 29th Accountant General's Conference. There, I had remarked that greater flexibility in scheme implementation has been given to states and implementing bodies. This is likely to improve program outcomes. However, this needs to be accompanied with strengthened financial reporting and accountability framework at local governance levels. Finance commissions have emphasized on similar needs. Most officer trainees graduating today will be joining field formations of CAG. I urge all of you to use skills learnt during training for addressing these needs. State governments may be suitably consulted in this. I must again emphasize that meaning of Latin word audit is to hear. There cannot be a better place to hear than grassroots. This is my first visit to National Academy of Audit and Accounts. Such sylvan surroundings are a great place for learning pursuits. These surroundings also teach